Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to play black in chess.com. Open the chess.com application. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the play option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to select the type of game that you can play. Normally, you'll be able to select to play black whenever you're playing with a friend, bots, coach, or whenever you're playing the custom game or in person. You'll not be able to play black during tournaments. Chess.com will randomly assign you the color for the fairness. So if you're playing a friend, tap on the option Play a Friend. After you do that, select the friend with whom you would like to play the chess. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this option for I play as. Make sure to select the option for black and tap on the option play. Now you'll be able to play black. Likewise, if you're playing with the bots, what you can do is simply tap on the option play bots. Once you do that, look at bottom. Here too you'll be able to see the colors that you can play. Make sure to tap on the option for black and tap on the option play. After you do that, you'll be able to play black. Likewise, if you would like to play coach, you can tap on the option play coach. Now whenever you're playing the coach too, you can select if you want to play the black. Simply tap on the option for black and tap on the option play and start playing as black. You can also tap on the option custom game. Now over here, if you select to play with a random person, chess.com will assign you the color. But if you tap on it, now tap on any of your friend of your choice. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the color. Tap on the black color and tap on the option play. Likewise, you'll also be able to assign the color whenever you're playing in person. Tap on the option play in person. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to assign the color yourself. Make sure you are in the black. So for that, you can tap on the swap icon. Now you can see over here, my name is appearing right next to the option for black. That means now I'll be able to play the black. Tap on the option play and start playing as black. So like this, you'll be able to play black in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.